I watched someone lose over $200,000 without spending a single cent. They didn't lose it to a bad investment. They lost it by waiting 5 years to start. This is Personal Finance System. Every video gives you one clear system, and today's system is the wealth order system. 5 decisions that determine where you land at retirement. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The gap between a comfortable retirement and a struggling one isn't income. It's 5 specific decisions. Most people delay them, skip them, or get them completely backwards. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand on all 5. Let's go. Decision 1, fix the order your money moves. Most people think building wealth is about how much you save. It's not. It's not the amount. It's the sequence. Here's the mistake I see constantly. Someone's putting extra cash into a savings account earning 1%. Meanwhile, their employer is offering a 401k match, and they're not taking it. That is free money, left on the table every single month. I did the same thing for 3 years. I thought I was being responsible. Savings account, bills on auto pay, done. Turns out I was skipping the one step that would have mattered most in my 40s. Here's the right order. Step 1, 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Step 2, contribute enough to your 401k to get your full employer match. Step 3, pay off any debt with interest above 6%. Step 4, max your Roth IRA. Step 5, invest the rest in a low-cost index fund. Let's put real numbers on this. You earn $80,000 a year. Your employer matches 4%. That's $3,200 a year, free. Over 30 years at 7% average annual return, that single decision alone becomes over $300,000 from one step in the right order. Decision 2, use every tax-advantaged account available to you. You probably have a 401k, but do you have a Roth IRA? What about an HSA? Most people in their 30s are leaving tens of thousands in tax savings behind every single year. Here's a scenario. You're 35. You put $500 a month into a Roth IRA. You never increase it. By 65, at 7% average annual return, you have around $600,000 tax-free. The government gets nothing. Now here's what a 5-year delay actually looks like. You wait until 40, same $500 a month, same return. You end up with just over $400,000. That's a $200,000 gap because of 5 years. That's not a rounding error. That's your kid's 4-year college tuition. That's 2 full years of retirement income. Gone. Now the HSA. If you're on a high deductible health plan, this is the most underused account available to you. You put money in pre-tax, it grows tax-free. You pull it out tax-free for medical costs. Triple tax advantage. Most people treat it like a debit card, treat it like an investment account instead, and let it grow for decades. One note, Roth IRA eligibility phases out above certain income levels. If you're not sure if you qualify, check the current IRS limits for your filing status. It takes about 2 minutes to look up. You're not behind, you're just out of order. Let that sit for a second. This isn't about making you feel like you missed the boat. The boat is still here. You just need to know which deck to board. Decision 3, protect the income you already have. This one surprises people. In your 30s, your biggest financial asset isn't your savings account. It's your future earning power. Think about this. You're 35. You earn $80,000 a year. You plan to work 30 more years. That's $2.4 million of future income sitting in front of you. Most people have nothing protecting it. The most common mistake? Thinking insurance is something you buy when you're older. Wrong. You buy it young and healthy because that's when it's still affordable. A healthy 35-year-old can get a 20-year, $1 million term life policy for roughly $30 to $40 a month. Wait until 45 and that same coverage can cost twice as much or more. And disability insurance is even more overlooked. The odds of becoming disabled before 65 are higher than most people expect, and your income stops the day it happens. Many long-term disability plans replace around 60% of pre-tax income, but the exact percentage depends on the plan. After taxes, that's closer to 40 or 45% of what you actually bring home. That doesn't cover a mortgage. That doesn't cover kids. It doesn't cover the life you've spent a decade building. Decision 4, build an automatic wealth system. Here's what separates people who build real wealth in their 30s from those who don't. Not intelligence, not income, automation. Willpower is finite, systems are not. The common mistake is treating saving like a monthly task. You check your budget, you see what's left, then maybe you transfer something to savings. That's paying yourself last. It almost never sticks. Here's the system that works. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck lands. 401k contribution, automatic. Roth IRA transfer, automatic. Savings top-up, automatic. What's left is yours to spend. Without guilt, without math, without deciding every month. The best financial system is the one you never have to remember. And yes, that includes you. Here's a concrete setup. You take home $4,500 a month. 15%, $675 goes to retirement. 10% of $450 goes to savings. $3,375 is yours to live on. No guilt, no calculating. The decision was made on day one. Wealth in your 30s isn't a sprint. It's a snowball. Every year you wait, the hill gets shorter. Every year you start, the snowball gets heavier. You don't need a perfect plan. You need one that's already rolling. Decision 5, do a yearly wealth audit. This is the one that trips up even the most disciplined people. They set everything up at 32, they check back in at 40, and the whole system has quietly drifted off course. Your asset allocation at 32 isn't right for 39. Your contributions from 3 years ago shouldn't stay flat while your salary grew 20 or 30%. Once a year, check 5 things. 1, did your income grow? Increase your contributions to match. 2, is your emergency fund still 3 to 6 months of current expenses? 3, are your investments still aligned to your timeline? 4, does your insurance still match your life today, not the one you had 3 years ago? 5, are you on track for your retirement number? If you don't know what that number is, here's how to find it. Take the annual income you want in retirement, multiply by 25. Want $80,000 a year in retirement? You need $2 million invested. Write that number down right now. But that's a planning estimate, not a guarantee. Most people never do this math. Then they're shocked at 60 that they're not where they need to be. Don't be that person. You have everything you need right now. Here are all 5 decisions. 1, fix the order your money moves. 2, max every tax-advantaged account available to you. 3, protect your income now while you're young and healthy. 4, automate everything so it runs without you. 5, audit it once a year and adjust as your life grows. None of these need a finance degree. None of them need a 6-figure salary. They need one thing, a decision. And you can make all 5 of them this month. Remember what I said at the start. $200,000 lost, not by spending, but by waiting. The biggest wealth mistake isn't a bad investment. It's a delayed decision. If you want to take the next step, I built a free 30s wealth audit worksheet. It walks you through all 5 of these decisions with exact numbers for your income and your situation. The link's in the description. Download it, fill it in, and by the time you finish your coffee, you'll know exactly where you stand. And if this helped you, there's a lot more on this channel. Every video is built to help you see the numbers clearly. Quick note, this is general education, not personal financial advice. You always make the final call.